morning with Chepstow Road and the Usk Post Station looming in the background. Welcome along to another edition of Adventures with Otis here at Beechwood Park. Just thought I'd give you a taste of mid-May at the park. You see, got a lot of the bushes are in bloom and blossom. That's right. You can hear the waterfalls from here, so we're going to go off and see what the waterfalls are like, because last night it was quite a downfall. So I'm guessing the ground is pretty well saturated. Where you go, Otis? Otis leaving his mark, as he usually does. Okay, down the steps. It's a good boy. I think we usually walk around the park in a different sort of direction, so it's good to mix things up. This is over the very lower stone bridge. Yep, walk around to the left. Otis, good boy, you read my mind there. Only so far. Wait, Otis, wait there. The first of the waterfalls under the stone bridge. Okay, we're going to walk this way. Okay, Otis, you walk ahead. Good boy. Ah, through the muddy path. Okay, it must be done. Squelch, squelch. God, look at the undergrowth growing up through the marshes. Just a few flowers left hanging the magnolia tree. And the second of the waterfalls. Lovely sound. Okay, Otis, over the bridge. Good boy. I'm going to stop mid-bridge, Otis. You carry on up. I'm going to see if we can catch Otis and the waterfalls. Fantastic, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, young man. It's a good boy. Make a good photograph, that. Lots of bluebells. Another couple sad magnolias about to drop. Looking very lush and very green. Absolutely beautiful this morning. But look at that for a waterfall. That is the best I've ever seen it. Okay, young fella, over the next bridge. I remember as a kid, I used to come along here and collect tadpoles as well, along with a pal of mine called David Sykes. I'm going way back now to when I was about 5 and 6. Maybe a little bit more. No, yeah, probably about that. And the little trickle under the bridge. Beautiful. Okay. That's a good lad, looking majestic there at the top of the steps. I'm on my way. The lovely colours. Look at the reds in these bushes. Got no idea the name of these bushes or something. Acer comes to mind, but I'm probably miles out. Okay, Otis. Oh, we had one more to look at, didn't we? Yes. The top bridge. See the water cascading the other side. This is where it comes down from the upper dingle. We're going up that way today. Okay. We're certainly mixing up the route today. It's good to make a change. There's a chap up here with a couple of whippets. I thought, oh, just ran off to see him then. Just up round the corner. for a beautiful May morning. Absolutely. I know I keep saying it, but we're blessed to have this park on our doorstep. Really and truly are. What are you sniffing there, Otis? Come on. This way. Another magnolia tree. Oh, this one's got a few more flowers and petals left on it. And the floor is showing what the wind has done. You can hear the water. We can't see it, it's down underneath the rushes. What are these long plants called? Do you know? Come on, leave some comments below. See the grand oak tree right in the centre there? I can spy the sun reflecting off the window of the adjacent houses. Okay, Otis, this way. Here he comes. Where are you off? This way, come on. Let's have a look at the waterfalls over this side. It's absolutely full of lovely greens today, different shades of. And the bluebells on the bank. Can't really see many waterfalls from here. Some rhododendrons lasting out after the storm. Come on, this way. He's on his own little adventure this morning. It's all the smells he can smell everywhere. Come on, fella, come catch up. Come on. That's a good boy. I can hear the waterfalls from here, babbling their way downstream. Oh wow, now that looks fairly impressive. The Park of Waterfalls, fantastic. Not a patch on a park in the outskirts of Glasgow called Rooker Glen. There's some phenomenal waterfalls there. But these are damn impressive, I tell you. Absolutely wonderful. How many times can I use the words absolutely today? And once again, the sun bouncing off the windows. We missed the sunrise, but good to see it out and about. It's only just gone 6 o'clock, mind. But because we walked along the level here, we didn't get to see the sun rising. But it's coming up over that side somewhere. And this is the last of the waterfalls I think that we'll get to see up here. Still very impressive though. What do you think, Otis? He's just too busy sniffing everything this morning. You find that after a downpour, all the smells seem to be magnified, or I should say amplified. One of the two anyway. Okay, which way are we heading, Otis? This way, little fella. The beautiful blue skies coming through. I think we're in for a beautiful day. The blossom tree looking very sad. Never sure whether these are cherry blossom or apple blossom. I think apple blossom is white. These are sort of a pinky colour. Perhaps they're cherry blossom. I should shut up because my mum is just going to correct me on everything that I say. Only joking. Well, not really. I recognise my privet hedges though. And the tulips. They've almost gone over, unfortunately. So this will be the last time probably that we see the tulips amongst the beautiful sort of bluey violet flora. That's a good boy. I don't think he wants to chase you, Otis. Hello young man, how are you? My golly, you're beautiful. Yes you are. So where's your owner? Must be that way. There he is. Okay, Otis, this way. That's a good boy. You're having fun with your pal. And here we are, back to the magical tree. Vicky was here for a little walk yesterday. Got some amazing photographs of her with Otis at the tree. Yeah, you can always tell who the real boss is when Vicky's out with us for a little walk. Yes. I'm second in command there, and Otis just looks up at Vicky identically. Anyway, I'm going to sign off now, right in front of the amazing Beechwood house. So cheerio, until next time. Bye from me, and a bye from Otis.